Good stop.
Come on, Twitter.
Kept it in.
Excellent.
It was. I don't know if I got that.
I think you would have.
Yeah, we're keep it spot.
Your legs check the bounce like that. Let it go. Let the kid spend it.
You know what I heard? I heard that, you know how he said he's not.
Well, he takes care of those kids, but nothing compared to how much money there is. You know, they just get to be like millionaires.
You know what I heard? You know, he says that, but really, all you know, his wife has so much money.
Well, yeah, because she gets.
I don't think so. Oh, can they? Yeah, they can. Yes.
Remember I killed it?
I mean, that's like when you have money, then you can just pay somebody really smart for you. Like, hey, what's that?
Like when those Walmart kids.
Hey, Claire Hoover!
College. That was a few years back.
Keep that up. Hey, Stephanie, this is my brother-in-law, Bob and Pam. Stephanie's one.
Well, maybe I'm just out of the wind when I came out of the parking drive. Then I saw the flags were not moving at all.
Man, she's getting shot at too much.
You know, she's getting shot at too much already. Sooner or later, this law of averages can catch up. How they view the rest of the world, you know.
Well, Blake, you know what the problem is?
The government didn't have a whole bunch of stuff paid for. They'd rather pay a bunch more taxes, but know that they're going to take care of me. And then,
Go home.
Good job, Claire! Yay, Claire!
Hey, I had an excellent thing, did I?
yeah. I'm like, what happens when we don't take care of you?